Hi, I'm Jay from Wood Finishes Direct. In this video, I'm going to be demonstrating the best way to maintain the Osmo Pollux Oil Raw, from cleaning to refreshing. Don't undo all your hard work by using a regular household cleaner. They can strip the Osmo Pollux Oil range. Surfaces treated with Osmo Pollux Oil Raw can be cleaned with the Osmo Spray Cleaner. It is a day-to-day cleaning solution for oiled and waxed interior woods. Osmo Wash & Care is an alternative. It is a water-soluble cleaning concentrate for oiled and waxed interior woods. Just add 1 capful to 1 litre of water and it's ready to use. For oiled floors, we would recommend using this with the Osmo Spray Mop. If your wooden surfaces are looking a bit tired and worn, you'll be relieved to know that it's a really easy fix. Osmo Liquid Wax Cleaner is the answer to all your problems, specially designed to regenerate and refresh oiled and waxed surfaces. You must make sure you use the Osmo Liquid Wax Cleaner White with the Osmo Pollux Oil Raw, as this contains the same white pigment as the Raw. If you use the clear version, this will darken your wood, giving you the wet look. To apply the Liquid Wax Cleaner White, add a drop to a lint-free cloth, apply to the affected area and leave to dry. To repair the Osmo Pollux Oil Raw, clean the affected area and remove any dust or dirt. Lightly abrade the surface with a finishing pad and remove all sand dust. Reapply a thin coat of the Osmo Pollux Oil Raw to the affected area for an invisible repair. Do you need further technical assistance or advice on your project? Why don't you put us to the test and give us a call? All the products used in this video are linked in the description on YouTube. Don't forget to like and subscribe for future content.